Let's begin by asking the question, why custom? Why can't I purchase an off-the-shelf solution to solve all of my creative services or marketing workflow needs? After all, aren't all marketing departments doing the same thing? The answer, of course, is no. Each department is made up of unique individuals who form unique groups of people, all of whom bring unique sets of experience and knowledge. And marketing departments themselves are unique, marketing different products and different services to different sets of customers. From all the different experience, knowledge, and purpose emerges a unique workflow and a unique process that is based on the culture and values of the particular company. In addition, different marketing departments may be producing different deliverables. Developing printed marketing materials can be dramatically different from the development of multimedia or other forms of electronic materials. This first set of screens comes from a solution that tracks the development of printed marketing materials from concept through fulfillment. This is the campaign screen. Not a lot of information is tracked at the campaign level. It's more of a roll-up for all of the jobs that are going to make up the marketing campaign. There's also a place on the Resources tab to keep track of who in the department is assigned to this campaign. And also the Creative Brief tab captures the overall vision or strategy of the marketing campaign itself. The Creative Brief data can be viewed from the job level so that anybody working on any job in this campaign can quickly see what the overall vision was at the beginning of the concept phase. If a user were to click on the job name in the job list, then the job detail form would appear. As you can see, a lot more information is tracked at the job level, and jobs are really the heart of the system. On the left-hand side is data that is specific to the job itself, like the name of the job, the audience that it's geared toward, what type of job, in this case a flyer, the start date of production, and when the job is due. In the middle and toward the right of the screen is a set of tab controls. These tabs contain more specific information about a job or related information to the job. The tab that's highlighted is the Schedule tab. Keeping track of the schedule of production for a particular job was the most important thing to this client when we began development. You can see that the schedule is broken down into phases and subsequent tasks. When a user clicks on a phase in the top phase list, then its related tasks will appear in the bottom list. You can see we also have some conditional formatting to show when phases or tasks are ahead of schedule, indicated by green, or when they're behind schedule, indicated by red. Other information tracked at the job level have to do with compliance on the Review tab. The Strategy tab is where the vision for the job itself is stored. That's also where a user can see the Creative Brief information from the parent campaign of the job. The Print tab contains print specs for the job that the print production department will send to vendors when the job is ready to be printed. The DSU tab contains all of the expenses for the job and which areas should be charged for them. And the Log tab keeps track of who made changes to the schedule and when. All users in the system are required to keep track of their time. Here's an example of the system's timesheet. Hours can be assigned to the job, which rolls up to a campaign, or can be assigned directly to a product line, or even a business unit. From timesheet data comes the ability to analyze an employee's utilization. Here's an example of a custom report used to show the utilization of employees, in this case, the editorial department. You can see that there's a target billable hours per week, and if the employee is underneath that target billable hours, the variance is highlighted in red. If the employee is over the target billable hours per week, then the variance is shown in green. Each company has a unique culture with unique values and a unique process for getting the job done. And that uniqueness can be expressed through a custom solution developed in FileMaker.